What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a shotgun only Fortnite video. Can't even use heals. We're going to try to get top 15. Let's do it. Let's go, guys. Let's get this dub. Or maybe we can just get top 15. Whatever. I just gotta do it with the shotgun. Shouldn't be that hard. Let's do it. Oh, and by the way, go subscribe to Bubble T Humphrey. She really needs subscribers. She's a friend of mine. I'm going to try to go for the strategy of either sticking away from people fighting or going in and third partying to get this top 15 or even dub. Okay, let's do it. Where do I want to go? Run drills. Do it, guys. I'll fix this camera angle a little bit. There we go. Looking for a gun. Shotgun. Shotgun. Damn, that's not a shotgun. It's not giving me a shotgun. Get this stuff, guys. This kid already in here. They're gone. Got him. I can use heals too. We just gotta get with a shotgun only. Our shotgun. I'm gonna take these heals. Nope, couldn't see that. It isn't too far away. Ooh, I got a good shotgun. And we can use heals and shields. You just have to use a shotgun to get to the end. There's another kid. Ah, darn it. We gotta try again, guys. On to the next match. Didn't get top 15 this time. I'm gonna fix the camera angle a little bit better. There we go. Got full screen. Move it over to this side more. There we go. Let's go, guys. We gotta get this next one. This next match. Honestly, should have built before that guy could have got me. We gotta get top 15, guys, before the video's over. New rule. We can only get 3 matches. Only 3 matches we got. This is our second match. So we got this match. Or we got this match in the next match. If I can't get this dealt with only a shotgun or even top 15, I lose this challenge. Same spot. I feel like we started off pretty good there. We had some problems getting the shotgun right away, so we gotta do it this time. We can use heals, just remember that, we can use heals. I'm not cheating. I would never cheat. Yep, that's our shotgun. Took the big pot. Just kidding. Got him. A lot of people landed here. Darn it. I ran out of ammo, guys. We gotta try it again. This is our last match. If we can't get it, we're done for. Kinda off today. Not doing very well. '86 is not good placement, guys. And he's emoting on me. Damn, must be a lot of fun. I am not a sweat, guys. I'm just here to have fun. That's all we need. All we need is fun. And maybe over time I'll progress at getting better while playing with you guys. Who knows? This is what we need to get. Right here. Right when we land. I don't think Restored Reels is a good spot. Let's find a different spot. Can't remember. Right here. Right there. I'm gonna try here this time. Can you get here? It's over. It's over for us. There's a couple people landing here. It might not be good. We got it. We got it. We got it. There's what we need. He got us a little bit. Both of them have a scope. That's fine, though. That's fine. There's some people shooting. Got him. In here. That didn't give us what we needed. Darn doorway. We might do good this game, guys. Need top 15. So let's stack up on heals. Since we only got a shotgun, let's stack up on heals. Got him. Too bad we can't use some of this stuff. We can only use the shotgun. Oh, another kid. Where is he? Come on, guys, we got it. How many people are left? 51. Oops. 51 people are left. Let's do it. We got it. Wish I could pick those up. We might actually do it this game, guys. Any heals? Nope. No heals. Let's take it on the low side. Where's Storm thing? Okay, if we can go that way, we can camp, and Storm will stay there. Maybe get the 15th place. I don't know if you guys will like that, but maybe, just maybe we can win this by doing that. Or I could stay over near there. I could just sit there for a little. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here. I stay here. Yup, see, storms coming near here. I don't want to go too close that way, because there's all the big spots. And I know that people are going to be staying. I can go a little closer, but it can be dangerous. Because everyone's going to be all over there. Yeah, I'm going to stay right here. Just sit here for a little. Okay guys, let me know what type of content you guys want for Fortnite. What type of challenges? I need some ideas. See that? I'm in a hot spot. There's a bunch of shooting around me. $37 people left. We might get it, guys. We might get it, guys. Come on. 34 people left. I'm in the bed.
Please tell me you're not pooping.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm in the corner of the bed.
Why are you back here? Look.
I'm not hot.
You open this up, it'll cool off in here.
Okay.
We are going to be moving our camper.
Okay. Sorry guys, that was my mom. We might be able to get this. We might be able to win it. Win it, win it, win it. 29 people left. Should I go fight, guys? I think I'm gonna go fight. I'm not going that way. Finding people on this side. See, there's always people in here. This is a hot spot, guys. Gotta be careful. If I die here, it's over. It's over. Nope, not going there. Kids and cars. Try to get around this place, guys. Just get in the car, guys.
Isaac.
Yeah? We got it, guys. We got it. Uh-oh. Nothing. We gotta win it, guys. We might do it. Just gotta get in top 15. Yeah, we're exactly 75 from that. Can't be too careful, guys. Oh, there's other kids that know how to build here. Gotta be careful. Got more heals now. Two fighting over here. I could third party them. You got him, guys. We're in top 10, guys. You got it. You got it, guys. Oh, he's building. We're in top 11, guys. We might get it. We might get the win. All the kids are over here.
I have to move your stuff here. Ouch. Did you hear him?
Kid right here. Come on, guys. You boogie bomb.
That's not your left towel.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
We got it, guys. Before you can get me, guys. I'm gonna win it, guys. Hey, we got top 15, guys. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.